Hello and welcome to iNurture Videos. In this video, we will discuss Amazon networking IP addressing. At the end of this video, you will be able to describe the networking concept in AWS. Unlike other cloud computing providers, which assign a fixed range of addresses to virtual machines hosted within a customer's assigned VLANs, AWS dynamically assigns IP addresses from within its own IP address range. No IP address is persistently assigned to a customer account, and a server launched from a given image may be assigned one IP address today and a different IP address tomorrow. This shifting about of IP address can seem confusing, so let us discuss in detail. Let us see in detail further into describing how AWS organizes its IP addressing. To start off, every instance on the network has its own virtual network interface card or VNIC, a software construct that mimics the functionality of a hardware NIC. The Xen hypervisor within AWS maps traffic between each instance VNIC and the actual hardware NIC on the physical server on which the Xen hypervisor runs.
Now, I searched high and low for the best diagrams I can out there to try and explain this concept. Something that is very, very important is subnets, which we talked about. However, it's the fact that, and it comes up a lot in the questions in the exam about the difference between public and private. So try and commit this to memory. I probably should have a little sticker here to remember. But if a subnet's traffic is routed to an internet gateway, the subnet is known as a public subnet. So that's the basic idea of why a subnet is called a public subnet. The fact that it has, let's have a look at this slide here, a connection to the internet, straight out there through the internet gateway and to Amazon S3, C02, or wherever you want. Now, if a subnet doesn't have a route to the internet gateway, the subnet is known as a private subnet. Again, back to this drawing, we can see a private subnet doesn't have a connection out to the internet. However, it doesn't mean that you can't make a connection out there. And again, we will discuss this a little later on when we talk about NATs, but a network translation is needed to go from private subnet out to a public subnet. Out to the internet from the private. Again, try and commit this to memory, because as you'll see, the next question is along, well, that's sort of a similar line.
Thank you for watching this video.